How to fix post getting removed on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if your post is getting removed on Reddit, then you need to check the specific rules of the Reddit where your post was made, as violations can lead to removal by the moderators. So be aware that automated bots like Auto Motivator can remove posts for rule violations without prior notice. So you need to check your notifications for explanations. So, to ensure that your post adheres to Reddit content policy, you'll need to avoid issues like hate speech, harassment, or spam, which can result in removal by admins. And if you're still not sure why your post was removed, then you can go to the page where your post was made, and on the left hand side, you'll see message mods option. So there you can tap on it and you can ask your moderator why your post was removed. You'll need to give a title and put in the message on asking why it was removed, and your moderator will give you an explanation. So another thing, what you need to be aware of is that your account may be shadow banned. So, to check if your account was shadow banned, go to your profile on the top right and then see if there is any way you can find out if you are shadow banned. Or you can even ask your friend if they can find your profile or not. And uh, that's it. If you believe your post was removed in error, you can appeal by contacting the Reddit support team for clarification and assistance as well. And also focus on creating high quality relevant posts that contribute to discussions, because low effort or clickbait content is also often removed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.